Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Blaj, Brian, Omni, Sarah, Malvin, Doc, Juan. Good morning, everyone. It's gonna be pretty interesting. Where the market bounces, where it has a bit of a pullback. Because right now we're above 433, obviously. So 433, 434 is getting to some, it's resistance. Can't be as bullish here as you could have been at 427 yesterday. So it's gonna be kind of interesting. Salam, good morning. Morning, Sean, Jay Sharps, Kirk, Jurassic, Sajin, Zach. Good morning. Okay. Wow. Okay, so it's 433 is starting to act like a level of resistance here. The NASDAQ is at resistance at 367. IWM also has resistance at 174.85. It's gonna be interesting. Let's see. Let's see. We could take a, honestly, we should take a riskier sort of trade here. Go short. Okay. See if we can get a little bounce to 433 again, and then go short. That's my thought process. So let's see. Wow. Yeah, this was weak right from the get. We didn't get a nice retest. It was just a lot of weakness. Contracts moved fast as well. It's nice. Let's see. NASDAQ held 366.60 perfectly, which was a very important level of support. IWM new high of day as well. All right. I think yeah, I think it makes sense. Let's grab some 1 second. IV is increasing though. Damn. Okay, thank God. Let's see if we get something better as we get closer to higher of day. Let's see. Damn, this is starting to look like a really good short, to be honest, guys. All right, I'm in light puts with a $1 stop loss. Let's see where life takes us. Okay. This is not really a bullish setup. The only thing that'll save this is extreme bullish buyers. And up here at 433, I don't know if they can sustain these sorts of bullish buys. It doesn't really make sense to do that just yet. So I would like it if we break low of day here, and then we could we could go ahead and sell these for profit. That would be spectacular. So far, so good. All right. So far, so good. NASDAQ is bear flagging, but it's holding above 366.95 support. The IWM is making new highs, which is causing the SPY to pump. Yeah, let's see. I would have liked it if we saw some more follow through, but they're not. Initially, when we dropped, contracts moved almost 15%. But this, all of this does not look bullish to me. So yeah, I'm not too worried, to be honest. If this does break up higher, it is what it is, but not a really bullish setup regardless. NASDAQ is okay, below 367 now. The IWM, let's see if the IWM can sustain itself. It needs to hold 175.12. Interesting. Interesting price action. But yeah, this is not a bullish setup. Not a bullish setup at all. We might get a little bounce back and then a continued pullback, to be honest. But still looks pretty bearish to me. NASDAQ is starting to bottom out a little bit. Hmm. But yeah, lots of chops so far. NASDAQ bottomed out, which is the reason why the market bounced just now. And okay, new high day. Still not out of our call puts. More Fed speakers are going to speak today as well. All right, I'm stopped out. Let's see if we enter here. Good morning, guys. Good morning. No, we're trading options. This is we're day trading options, and we were just short. Then that got stopped out. I'm gonna. The IWM is just pumping right now. Has resistance at 175.70. The NASDAQ has resistance right here at 367.50. It's tough to really lean bullish throughout the day, early morning especially. I'm in puts again. I'm in light puts again with a high day stop. Let's put a 0.95, 0.90. Yeah, 10% stop. If it's gonna pop to the upside, it's gonna do it quick, but it doesn't really make sense I mean, you know, because now the NASDAQ and the IWM are both at levels of resistance. But we are definitely seeing some bullishness. Pragmatically, we're definitely seeing some bullishness so far in the morning. I'm surprised to see 433 holding so well. So you guys could go light, especially, you know, bulls are definitely here to play right now. This generally would be a pretty solid bearish setup. We should see like a big red candle. That's usually what ends up happening with setups like this. One solid big red candle, drop it down to 433. Wow, all dips are being bought. Because generally this would just keep selling off. But they're really trying to keep this up. Don't know for how long though. Usually should just get some sort of a pullback. This sort of buying pressure would just send the market to like, the market could be 440 next week if CPI data and everything is, even if it's not terrible. The amount of buying pressure that we're seeing over the past few days is definitely really interesting, to be honest. Who would have thought? Honestly, if we see 440 next week, I wouldn't be surprised. 437, 438 at least. Because this is every sort of pullback that we saw. For example, when we were trying to go short earlier, we had this big move to the downside and then it ripped up. Same concept with here. Had a big move to the downside and it ripped up. So let's see. These are generally really good shorts, but buyers are stepping in, not allowing it to fall. Okay. Okay, this didn't work either. I'm stopped out. Crazy pump. Yeah, this is a lot of buyers, man. These were really, really solid shorting opportunities, and they just ripped it up. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It is what it is. Can't always damn, this is so good. Such a good short also. Damn. This is a good short. Again, to be honest. Fortunate. Hmm. 434 is major resistance, and 368.30 is major resistance on the NASDAQ. This is really, really good short. 433. 433. This very, 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 very rarely breaks above a high here. Very rarely. So we have to see if it does before we try to go short. Yeah, guys. This is, if this closes and it comfortably closes above here, then this is definitely showing, overall, this is showing an extreme amount of strength. What happens intraday, minute by minute, could be different. But right now, what I just want to show right now with this little setup right here, rarely does this ever comfortably break above. And if this comfortably breaks above and closes, then just understand that, you know, when we usually see like a lot of bearishness and a lot of sellers, this is the complete opposite. There are just people, this is a lot of buying pressure. Crazy, crazy, crazy amount of buying pressure, guys. This is crazy, to be honest. But nonetheless, this is a really good short right here. And we're gonna have to take it, to be honest. Let's see. Can get a bit greedy. I don't remember the last time we saw. I don't remember the last time I actually saw this setup breaking another high. This is being primarily caused by the NASDAQ and Amazon. A lot of love is going to Amazon right now. Yeah, I am have to go short again. So I'm trying to get this closer to 105. Wow, that's crazy. I was trying to be 1 second. Okay, can we get it at 105? Closer to $1. Guys, this is legit. Like, this is crazy buying pressure. I wish you guys could see my face. This is crazy buying pressure. Like, all right, I'm in shorts again. Hive day stop. It is what it is. This should work. But as a whole, this is crazy buying pressure. I have not seen buying pressure like this in quite some time. In the short term, yeah, we could drop back down below 434. But this is, the reason why I'm not going long here is because it's not safe to go long. Like, it's not safe to go long up here. It doesn't make any sense. We just have to continue taking high quality trade setups. And the high quality trade setup is going short once we have levels of resistance and once there is you know, a lot of strength that's already been shown. So basically you just flip this chart on the opposite. You flip this chart upside down, right? Just imagine you were to flip this chart upside down and imagine this is the exact same. Like, imagine we dropped this dramatically and now we're trying to find a bottom. You wouldn't go short here, right? Same concept. You wouldn't go long up here. So it is what it is. Can't really do much about it. You have to trade what is given to you. This is amazing, honestly. Like, to see something like this is very rare in the markets. Like, it's actually, this is awesome to see, to be honest. This amount of buying pressure is very, very rare. Yep. Yeah, you can't do much about this. These are high quality setups. You can't go long here. The only smart trade to make was to go short. It's literally the exact same thing as a huge drop and then trying to go short at the drop. Yeah, we might make another leg down, but it's not worth it. And they gave another leg up. So this is crazy. Can't be mad about this price action, to be honest. Can't do anything about it. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna sell out of this. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm not even upset. Damn. This is generally, if I was trading alone, this is where I would go pretty heavy on shorts. Let's see. But yeah, can't be upset about this. We took high quality trade setups. Generally, these would always work. But that is what it is. A lot of buying pressure. I haven't seen buying pressure like that. This sort of basically back here when this happened, I don't remember the last time I saw something like this happen. This was this entire little setup here, very, 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 very strong. I don't remember the last time I saw something that strong. So yeah. It is what it is. Crazy. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I want my swings to make some money. I don't want to just lose all the. I don't want to just lose the money trying to short and have the swing calls. lose the money that they would make today. Wow. This shoot. God damn, this is crazy. Holy crap. Oh my god. This is crazy. Yeah, this sheesh. Huh. This is wild, honestly. This is another amazing, amazing short. NASDAQ's at high of day. The IWM is at level of resistance. This is like prime time amazing short. Crazy. This is probably the best short. So I mean, this over here is probably a better short, but this is a really, really good short. Let's just see. Let's just watch and see. this usually just breaks to the downside, very, very aggressive. This should be like an intermediate high of the day, and this should be breaking lower. This is crazy that it isn't yet. Be breaking lower. Perfect setup for them to drop it at least a little. It only makes sense here. Hmm. Oh crap! Our IWM calls for October 20th came back to life. Very nice. Wow. Oh man. This bullishness is insane, man. My goodness. Crazy bullishness. I thought these IWM calls would be cooked. Crazy that we see this today. I was expecting some inside day trading prior to CPI data coming out, prior to the Fed minutes. They put a buy program on today that I am shocked. This is a lot of buying pressure. Oh my gosh. Can't really make any trades right now. I mean, you could go. The only thing that I could see is just going short at resistance, but then there's so much buying pressure. It doesn't really make sense. Unless unless you're willing to just this is the thing. Unless you're personally willing to just consistently take stabs at these trades, that's the only way that you could really make high quality trade setups. There's no way you could be going long here. You only have to continue going short as we continue making these highs. And you have to just continue going short basically at these levels of resistance on the major levels of resistance on the SPY. And it's just and the NASDAQ and the IWM, but it's really I wish you guys could see my face. I am just like smiling so hard, right? This is crazy. Like, this is an amazing amount of buying pressure, guys. Like, crazy. Yeah, good stuff, Dino. Good stuff, Dino. Oh my gosh. Goddamn. Thank God for swings, man. Bears are gonna be in denial. Yeah, after today, Bears are definitely gonna be in denial. Dino, I took a partial profit on it, so I'm still holding on to runners. Oh, do you mean the 430 for October 13th? Yeah, that was a loss. Oh yeah, no, that was a loss. But um the others were wins. Yeah, I mean it would have won, but it would have won, but I mean, who would have thought these days would have happened like this? So it is what it is. It's all good. Crazy. Yeah, I try to make it like safe for people, and I try to be cognizant of people's portfolios when they trade and everything as well. Crazy stuff. Insane. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Um, this is an amazing short, to be honest. Oh, okay, that happened a little too quick. Okay. Yeah, overall, it's just a lot of strength today. All of these were just pretty good shorting opportunities that we took. Couldn't do much about it, honestly. Like, some days you take the highest quality trade setups, sometimes they just don't work out, and you can't expect extreme bullishness to continue like this. So it is what it is. That's life. So yeah, with that being said, I'm just gonna call it a stream. We're gonna have to see how buyers respond around 434. I can't really look. It's not safe to buy anything or look at anything really right now, aside from just going short as we continue making new highs. That's the only trade that I could see. But then once we come back to VWAP around 434, if we break below to around 433.50, that's where I think yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. But I definitely do think, based off of this, yeah, it's really, really tough that we won't see 440 next week. Like, I would be really, really shocked if we don't see 440 next week, because just based off of certain price action that occurred, this down here, guys, like, so we're already at a major level of resistance, right? This morning, 433, major level of resistance, right? Came, made a huge screaming high, small red candle, and then ripped above afterward and maintained itself. When that happened, I was just like shocked, because that generally almost never ever happened. So yeah, today was honestly pretty unprecedented. Like, it's crazy. And it's nice to see, and it's nice to experience days like this, because they don't happen often at all. It's crazy. So yeah, man. Can't complain. That's the game, to be honest. That is the game. Yeah, I hope you guys are still doing well. Obviously, we took some losses today. It is what it is. Honestly, like, that, I would not have done anything different. So yeah, it is what it is. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you guys later, and I will definitely, we have to definitely see how things go. But yeah, man, the only trades that I could see is you just continue going short at the highs, and yeah, man, just we need to see how 433.50 and 434 respond. All right, so yeah, cool. All right, take care, guys. Love you guys. Have a good one. Have a nice day, everyone. Have a spectacular rest of your day. Keep making money. Just keep scalping with tight stop losses. That's all you can really do. If you do want to go long, you need to have tight stop losses. Same thing with short. This is what it is. You're gonna have to trade a lot. Not really a lot, but you're gonna have to take multiple shots, and that's all it is. All right. So yeah, cool. Take care. Have a good one. Love you guys. But yeah, just be careful. Be careful.